This is going to be a video tutorial on how to block a person on the Pinterest app. I'll be using an iPhone, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I have my phone open now and I'm on the Pinterest app. To block a person on Pinterest, first you need to bring up their profile. I'm going to use the search feature down here at the bottom. I'm going to tap on that. And I'm just going to bring up a random person here. I'm going to tap now in the search bar at the top. I'm going to search for a person. And then I'm going to find a person in my search results here. I'm just going to select this one here. And now if I wanted to block this person, you need to tap on the three-dot hamburger menu off to the right there. And then right there, you would tap on block. It'll ask you, after you tap on block, it will ask you, are you sure you want to block? And then you'll tap on block again. And then that person will be blocked. That is how you block a person on the Pinterest app. Thanks for watching.